Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be discussing Leetcode problem. Problem number 2325. It's a easy level problem. Decode the message. It is the first problem which came on weekly contest. You are given the string key and message which represent a ciphertext and a secret message respectively. The steps to decode the message are as follows. Use the first appearance of all 26 lowercase English letters in key as the order of the substitution table. Align the substitution table with the regular English alphabet. Each letter in the message is then substituted using the table. Spaces are then transformed into themselves. Okay, they are saying that they have been given we have to convert the first 26 appearance of the English alphabets in the key which are appearing. Means no matter whether a no matter whether the T is in first place or A is in first place, means that the first 26 lowercase characters means distinct lowercase characters which are appearing in the key, we have to map them to our 26 English alphabets. Okay, and spaces are then transformed to themselves, means that the spaces remain intact in the message which is given to us. We have to change the previous iteration that I have told you in the key. Means that in the key the first 26 alphabets we have to map them to the first 26 English alphabets from A to Z, and the 26 alphabet that we are choosing from key has to be distinct. Means that the alphabet need not be the alphabet in the key will be repeated at least one time. Okay, but while mapping we have to make sure that the same alphabet does not map to other alphabet. Okay, so see, they have been given us first example, key equal to the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog message they are given to us. So see, what we are doing is that we have collected the 26 alphabet from the key and we have ignored the spaces. Okay, you have to ignore the spaces, and T maps to A, H maps to B. We have included the character C. THA quick because the is included, quick is also included because it has not appeared before. Brown is also included because it has not appeared before in the previous iteration. And over here of the fox has come in brown, so it will not be included. So F and X it is there, no FOX. Okay, we have to include the character only once in the first iteration where it comes, and then you can see that U has also come in the previous iteration quick, so U will not be included, and we have used JMPS jumps. O will not be included because it has come before, and V will be included. E will not be included because it has come on the over, and E will not be included. Okay, so see, we are mapping these 26 alphabets into the A to Z alphabets, and then in the message we are transforming the corresponding alphabet to the mapped alphabet. See, sorry, here we have mapped V to T, so T comes here in place of V, and in the mapping we can see that K is here, and we have mapped K to H. Okay, we have mapped K to H, and B will be mapped to I. So THI we have got, and S we have mapped to S, so S will be mapped to same. So this has come here, and now we are saying how B is mapped. So we should find B, and B is here, and B is mapped to I, so I, and S is mapped to itself. So this is, we have got the decoded message, and while decoding T we can look whether T has appeared here, and it's appeared here, and T is mapped to A, so A comes here, and S is mapped to itself. U is mapped to, let's see, U is mapped to E, so SE, and E is mapped to C, SEC, and P is mapped to C, R, and U is mapped to E, and V is mapped to T. You can see that V is here and it's mapped to T, and we have to return this alphabet. Okay, so see, the approach is that we'll maintain a vector of int which contains the 26 alphabets. Okay, and we'll iterate over the key, and we'll check whether I is not equal to 32. Why we have done 32 here? Because 32 is the ASCII code of the space, and we have to ignore the space. Okay, and we are checking that whether our int is not previously occupied. Means that if this means that, see, in this question you can see that O has appeared here. So O will have a distinct mapping in the vector that we have maintained, and now O appears again, and we check whether the O is mapped to in the previous iteration or not. If it's not mapped, then only it will be considered, else it will be ignored. So to ignore the repeated alphabets, we are using MP of I minus a and exclamatory mark, so that we could not include the repeated alphabets again. And if this case is not true, then we are checking and assigning a plus k, and it will move from a to z, because we have used 26 alphabets in our vector, and we are doing k plus plus. And next we are transforming the characters in the message, and we are checking whether the ASCII code of the character is not equal to 32. If means that we have not included a space, and means that we are not changing the space. So if it's not equal to 32, then we are changing the alphabets, and we are mapping, we have maintained a vector message of I minus a, which gives the corresponding alphabet here, and at last we have to return message. Thank you friends. If you like this solution useful, then like, share and subscribe to my channel.